This is a quick video on filtering your views. So I'm going to go to my purchasing module. I'm going to click into view transactions. And if I click on advanced filters, then I have the option to create a filter based off of the columns that are in the particular view that I'm looking at right now. So let's say I want to look at just my invoices. So I'm going to select my document number column. I'm going to say contains, and then I'm going to put in INV. I'm going to apply that, and then it's just going to show me all of my invoices. So my purchasing invoices, my vendor invoices, and my subcontract invoices are all coming up here. And they go back as far as January 2024. So now I'm going to put in another filter, and I'm going to say that the date is greater than 7/1/24. Apply, and it's filtered out now, and it's only giving me my invoices as of July. So that is how you would use filters, and you can add as many as you like. And then if you want to get rid of them, you just clear all. Another little tip just while we're looking at views is, let's say you're trying to find a specific vendor, but you only know part of the name. So I'm looking for one of my vendors that has electric in the name. And if I type in electric, nothing comes up, but I know they have electric in their name. So in that case, what you do is use the percent sign, because that's the wildcard, and then type in electric, hit enter, and it's going to bring up all of the vendors that contain that in their name. So given the percent sign beforehand is going to give you a wildcard, it's going to allow you to bring them up. And I just did want to mention quickly as well that the beta views that they're bringing in, they will actually allow you to look at a part of a name without doing the percent sign, but they don't have them everywhere throughout the system. Where they do have the option to switch to beta lists, you should be doing that, because eventually it's going to take over and you're going to have no choice but to use it. So you might as well get used to it now. But in the case where you're trying to find something, use the percent sign, and that's your little wildcard. So just some tips for you guys, and I hope this helps. As always, like and subscribe.